Hi, I'm Alan Lewis with Canon USA, and I'm here to tell you about a suite of updates to our award-winning line of PTZ cameras and controllers, including updates to our built-in auto-tracking and multi-camera control applications. All four of our indoor models are getting updates, as well as the CRX300 outdoor camera and RCIP1000 controller. These updates improve existing features and add new ones to help provide better solutions for a wide variety of video applications. Let's jump right in and show you what's new. Live streaming with your Canon PTZ cameras just got even easier, thanks to improved SRT and RTMP support. For both SRT and RTMP, the cameras now feature auto reconnect to help you get back online quickly in the event of a signal loss, as well as the ability to start and stop transmission right from the user interface. SRT improvements also include the ability to automatically start transmission on camera power-up. For the CRN 100 and 300 cameras, we've also improved support for teleconferencing systems with PTZ control over IP when the camera is in USB camera mode. Other updates to the cameras include new functionality to easily move to an area of interest by drawing a box on the user interface. This allows quick and efficient navigation to the subject of your production. For applications where you might be using different frame rates on the same production, the CRN 700 firmware adds the ability to seamlessly emulate the appearance of 60, 30, or 24 frames per second from the video preview on the user interface or a controller. Future firmware updates themselves will also become easier, as you'll now be able to check, download, and install new firmware with the push of a button on the web interface. Our built-in auto-tracking application is also getting improvements. Tracking the performance in both the free and paid version of auto-tracking has been improved to better track fast-moving objects. The paid version of our auto-tracking application is also getting significant improvements, which will boost the performance of our four indoor models. Multi-subject tracking is now available, empowering you to be able to track more than one person at the same time. The update also includes face orientation composition assistance to change the composition of the shot based on which direction the subject is facing. The composition of the shot can also adjust as the subject sits down or stands up. In order to maximize the benefits of these updates, we're also making improvements to the RCIP1000 controller to be able to utilize the new camera features. In addition to creating compatibility with the new camera features and auto-tracking updates, we've also improved the preset registration and display, added support for standard protocol over serial ports, and a host of other benefits. Canon's MultiCamera Control iOS application is a vital tool that does exactly what the name suggests, enabling you to control and adjust multiple cameras from a single app on a compatible iPhone or iPad device. The latest update will also include control of all four of the indoor PTZ cameras and the CRX300, adding even more versatility to your production. These are just a few of the improvements included in our latest firmware update that will help strengthen our already powerful PTZ camera lineup. To see the complete list of features added in this firmware, or to learn more about our acclaimed line of PTZ solutions, please visit our website or contact your local sales rep.